Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Safari can't connect to iCloud Private Relay. For example, if you see this kind of error in your Safari browser, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply close this page, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi or internet connection can be restarted. And after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to general, and in general what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you can do is you have to simply open the Safari here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply search for the Apple Support here, and in Apple Support you can simply search for the problem of the solution you are having. So here what you have to do, you have to simply search for the Apple Support, and you can simply ask the solution of your problem, and after that Apple Support will tell you a recommended solution about this problem, and after that you will solve the error. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for some time and you have to try it again. And the next thing you can do is you can simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on general and you have to click on iPhone storage, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of Safari. So here what you have to do, you have to simply delete all the data of the Safari, and after clearing all the data you can simply try again. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.